everyone, Service Mike from Royal Truck and Trailer. Today we're in our Wixom location and a good friend and customer blew a hydraulic hose right around the corner, asked us if we could get him going real quick. So I'm here with Ted and we got our hydraulic hose. Ted's going to show us how we put the ends on these so we can get our customers going quickly while they wait. Ted, how do we proceed?
So first we take the fitting, mark it so far how far we got to push it down to.
Okay.
We'll grab the paint marker and mark it here.
All right.
That's a good mark. We'll go ahead and lube the end a little bit so it slides on nice. Doesn't fight us. Slide this in down here.
We'll slide the fitting all the way to the paint mark. Now what?
So we set the die for the crimp specs on the Deco crimp shaft there. We'll do the 1 inch, 69.
Set the machine to the proper setting and
then
shove her in there. Let's see that, Ted. Look at that. Good to go. We can get this out to our customer and get them back on the job quickly. Thanks. Have a great day.